All right, my friends, welcome back. You've got your cover photo created and you downloaded it from Canva, but before you upload it to Facebook, you're going to have to resize it. I don't know why, but Canva has not kept up with Facebook cover size dimensions, and the Canva dimensions are way too big. So I'm going to show you what it looks like if you try to take your cover photo straight from Canva to your page. It's too big, right? You can't see my button. You don't see the top where I have Cecilia, the insurance specialist. If I drag it down, you can see it, but I lose part of my face and you can't see the button. If I drag it up so you can see the button, I lose part of my forehead and you can't see my name. So got the fix for you. And the link for this is at the bottom of this video, but you're just going to go to simpleImageResizer.com. You're going to select your image and pick your cover photo. Then you're going to select dimensions, and your dimensions need to be 850 wide by 320 high and resize. Then you're going to download, and there's your new cover photo with the right dimensions. You want to save as, and there you can see the dimensions, 850 by 320. We're going to go ahead and save, and let's head on back over to Facebook. So in my cover photo, I'm going to edit, upload, and I'm going to pick the one that I resized. And there it is, perfect. I mean, I can do a little minor adjustments, but I don't really need to do anything. You can see my name, what I'm about, and click here for details. So go ahead and go into simpleImageResizer.com. The link is below this video. Resize your cover photo and upload it to your Facebook. And I'll see you in the next video where I'm going to show you how to use that cover photo on your personal page and give you other updates for what you need to do on your personal page to have a professional presence. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.